Hey everyone! Welcome back to channel Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of a popular kitchen faucet, the KRAUS Artec Pro. It's a commercial-style faucet designed for home kitchens, and it's packed with features that we're excited to show you. If you're thinking of upgrading your kitchen faucet, stay tuned for all the details. This is the KRAUS Artec Pro kitchen faucet. It's sleek, powerful, and promises a lot of functionality. But is it worth the price tag? Let's find out. Let's start with first impressions. When you look at the Artec Pro, it has that industrial, commercial kitchen vibe. It's available in multiple finishes like chrome and stainless steel, which gives you flexibility to match it with your kitchen style. The faucet is made from solid brass, which makes it durable. The finish is resistant to rust and corrosion, which is great for long-term use, especially in a busy kitchen. Two-tone brushed gold or matte black finish creates a striking modern look of luxury that looks great in any kitchen. Wear-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in multiple single-tone and two-tone finish options so you can create a look you love. Two-function faucet pot filler provides aerated stream to fill large pots and pitchers. Pre-rinse sprayer offers a powerful spray to blast away tough food residue. Magnetic docking snaps spray head back into place for a secure hold. Easy clean rubber nozzles allow you to wipe away mineral buildup for a strong, long-lasting flow. Durable all-metal construction with a metal body and stainless steel spring spout. High arc spout swivels 360 for a full range of motion, offers ample clearance for cleaning. Your largest cookware dimensions: faucet height 24 3/4 in, spout height 6 5/8 in, spout reach 7 5/8 in, sprayer height 11. The pull-down sprayer is a dream. It's incredibly flexible, allowing you to reach every corner of your sink. The powerful spray mode is perfect for cleaning dishes, while the aerated stream is ideal for gentle rinsing. The pot filler is a game changer for those who love to cook. It fills large pots and kettles in seconds, saving you time and effort. The single lever handle provides effortless control of water temperature and flow rate. Installation was a breeze. The included instructions were clear and concise. The only tool I needed was a wrench. Once installed, the faucet is intuitive to use. The pull-down sprayer retracts smoothly, and the pot filler operates with a simple lever. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek, modern design. High-quality build. Powerful and versatile sprayer. Convenient pot filler. Easy installation. Cons: can be a bit pricey. Might be too large for smaller kitchens. Montage of the faucet in use, highlighting its aesthetic appeal and functionality. The KRAUS Artec Pro is a fantastic kitchen faucet that offers both style and substance. It's a bit of an investment, but if you're looking for a high-quality, feature-rich faucet that will elevate your kitchen, it's definitely worth considering. If you're interested in learning more about this faucet or seeing it in action, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching.